In this video, I will show you how to download and install Dropbox in Windows 11. If you want to download Dropbox without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you have to open any browser for downloading and installing Dropbox. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Then search Dropbox in search bar. Then press enter. When you search Dropbox in search bar and press enter, here you will find ads, sponsored, and when you scroll down, here you'll find dropbox.com website. You have to go this link. When you go dropbox.com website, it is a official website of Dropbox. Here we can download it. You have to scroll down. When you scroll down, here you'll find desktop app link. Here you can see. Remember, you have to scroll down at the bottom, and here you'll find desktop app. Click this desktop app. When you click desktop app, here you'll find install option. You have to click install option for install it. When I click install, I have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, next click save. And our Dropbox has downloaded. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where Dropbox file is present. Here you can see our Dropbox file is present. For installing it, right click on it, then click open. When you click open, you have to click yes. And our Dropbox is installing. Until we have to wait. Our installation process is in continue. Here you can see we have downloaded and installed Dropbox. Now we can use it. When you have to open Dropbox, simply search in search bar Dropbox. When you search Dropbox in search bar, here you'll find Dropbox app and you have to click open. And when you click open, your Dropbox will be open and you can use it. I hope this video help you how to download and install Dropbox. If you have any query, ask in comment box.